Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Xbox app for PC not installing in your Windows. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, choose the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. Nextly is right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here WS reset and then hit the enter key. This will reopen Microsoft Store to you. Once the Microsoft Store is open, in this left pane, click on the option library, and over here you will find the option of gaming services. If it is available and any update is there, make sure you choose the option download update to make your gaming service up to date. After that, restart your PC and check if you are still getting the issue of Xbox app for PC not installing or not installing the games. If this doesn't work out, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here inetcpl.cpl and then hit the enter key. Here click on the advanced settings, scroll down and you will find the option of TLS. Go ahead and check mark all the options of TLS available over here 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Then hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and try to reinstall the app and check the issue of Xbox app not installing is fixed out or not. If this also failed, in next step, right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Right click on your Wi-Fi and choose option properties. Simply scroll down and you will find the option of Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Go ahead and uncheck this particular option, then hit the OK button. Now close it and restart your PC, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Xbox app for PC not installed. If this also failed to work out, in next step, head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option apps, click on the option installed apps. In the search option, simply type gaming service. Click on this three dot icon and choose the option advanced options. Scroll down and first of all click on the option terminate. Once the app is terminated, click on the option repair. Nextly click on the option reset. Do the same with Microsoft Store also. Apps, installed apps. In search bar type Microsoft Store. Click on system components and here is Microsoft Store. Click on three dot icon, choose advanced options, scroll down, click on the option terminate. Once terminated, again repair and reset. Now make sure to restart your PC after performing these steps and run or try to install Xbox app again to fix out the issue of Xbox app for PC not installing. However, if all the method failed, click on the start menu and type PowerShell. Make sure you run PowerShell as an administrator. In PowerShell, you need to paste two commands one by one. First one is copy the command from the description, paste in the PowerShell by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the enter key. This will completely uninstall the gaming services from your system. Once uninstalled, copy the second script by selecting, right clicking and copy from the description of this video and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the enter key. This will automatically open Microsoft Store to you. Now in the store, under the gaming service, go ahead and click on the option install. Wait for the downloading and installing process to finish completely. And once all the process of downloading and installation is completed, make sure you restart your PC. After restarting, again launch store and then install Xbox app services, and this will completely fix out the issue of Xbox app for PC not installing in your Windows. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.